Hello, calculus fans! Let's find a vector equation and parametric equations for the line passing through these 2 points. So P is the point 2, negative 1, 3. Q is the point 5, 1, negative 4. When we're done with that, we'll find 2 other points on the line. First thing to do is make a direction vector. So the vector V is PQ, so we take the point Q and subtract P, and we end up with the vector 3, 2, negative 7. Let's let R0 be a fixed vector that points to any point on the line. Since we're given 2 points, we'll just go ahead and choose one of those. I went ahead and chose 2, negative 1, 3 to make a vector R0 pointing to from the origin. You could pick the other one. You'll get different looking equations, but it'll still represent the same line. So we can write down a vector equation, and it looks like this. So now we get these vector equations. So R is equal to R0 plus T times the vector V. You want to write it in component form, looks like this. So the parametric equations are x equals 2 plus 3t, y equals negative 1 plus 2t, and z equals 3 minus 7t. Now let's choose 2 other points on the line. What we'll do is pick 2 values of t to plug in, and we can pick any values we like. So let's choose t equals pi and t equals 1,000. They could be anything. I actually don't want to pick 0. If we plug in t equals 0, we'll just get the point P, which we already have. And I don't want to pick t equals 1, because that's going to give us the point Q, which we already have. So that's why I went and picked some crazy values of t. Now if we choose t equals pi, then x will be equal to 2 plus 3 pi, y will be negative 1 plus 2 pi, and z will be 3 minus 7 pi. That makes the point on the curve 2 plus 3 pi, negative 1 plus 2 pi, 3 minus 7 pi. If we plug in t equals 1,000, then we'll get x equals 3,002, y equals 1999, and z equals negative 6,997. This is just plugging in 1,000 into the parametric equations for t. So we end up with a point on the curve that's 3,002, 1999, negative 6,997. So we have our 2 points on the curve. 2 points that are not P or Q. Okay, that's all for now.